Hey, this is Miss Raven. I'm just coming to tell you that Walmart's having a great air conditioning sale. Um, the Arctic King 8,000 BTUs. They kicked off the cold air, and it was only $239. And I'm very pleased with it. It's been kicking out the cold air great. So if you're looking for a good air conditioner, try the Arctic King at Walmart. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.